Hey, today we will be discussing about best life insurance companies in the USA. So let's just dive in. First of all, you can see over here we have the Banner Life, and this is a great affordability option if you want consistently ranked among the most affordable term life provider with a rate approximately 9% below market averages. Then we have Ethos, and this is the best for non-medical exam coverage. So if you want to go with, let's just say, something without medical side, then you can go with this option. But this one is, of course, not as good as Banner Life. Then we have our Core Bridge, and this is unmatched term flexibility. Choose from 18 different term lengths from 10 to 35 years of the policy tailored precisely to your life. So this is really customized and recommended. And yeah, so we have much more as well that you can simply go with and discover yourself. So these are the top 3 picks in this list, and I hope this is going to be helping. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.